Welcome to Cows and Climate. My name is Frank Mitloehner and I'm a professor and air quality specialist in the Department of Animal Science at UC Davis. While so many people focus on livestock emissions and how to reduce them through, let's say, decreased consumption of animal source foods, there's an issue that all of us contribute to daily. It's the issue of food waste. Believe it or not, in the United States we waste as much as 40% of all food produced. Just to give you some idea, there are different food groups that are wasted at different amounts. For example, the most perishable foods, vegetables, are wasted at 50%. Animal source foods, 20%. It's better, but still unacceptable. We can do better than that. Wasting at these amounts is unethical. What amazes me is that not just here in the developed world we waste 40%, even in developing countries, let's say in Africa, 40% of all food is being wasted. Now there we can really help with all different kinds of approaches, including technologies and techniques to help them minimize that unwanted impact. But at the same time, we need to work on this here at home. So in the US, where we have 40% food waste, that waste mainly occurs at the consumer level. So it is you and I, either at home or in a restaurant or at the grocery store. In developing countries, the food waste occurs earlier in the food supply chain, namely on the fields where they can either not harvest on time or not transport the goods to the markets or preserve, refrigerate and so forth. Reducing food waste would have a significant impact on our environmental footprint of the entire food supply chain. That to me is lower hanging fruit visible to everyone. What's really important too is that a reduction of food waste would really help us addressing the challenge of our lifetimes, which I call the 2050 challenge.